Crocodiles are the strongest aquatic animals, and using their aquatic abilities, they easily kill every animal they want. Crocodiles belong to the reptile group Crocodilia and are often huge, heavy, amphibious animals with lizard-like appearance and predatory habits. Crocodiles have short legs with clawed webbed toes and massive jaws with numerous cylindrical teeth. They all have a distinctive body shape that allows the animal's eyes, ears, and nostrils to be visible above the water surface, while the rest of the body is hidden. That is why they are hard to get killed in a fight. But there exist some animals that can actually take down crocodiles. So let's get right to it. Top 5 animals that can take down a crocodile. Number 5. Jaguars. At number 5, we have jaguars. Most of the time, jaguar will easily beat the crocodile since this enormous animal is stronger and shows more resistance than the crocodile. The main weapon of the crocodile is its jaws, but jaguars can use both their jaws and their paws. Jaguars are apex predators with bite forces comparable to Siberian tigers and polar bears. This makes it easier for them to take down the crocodiles. Number 4. Killer whales. On number 4, we have killer whales, also known as orca. Despite their size, killer whales are one of the world's most feared predators, with even great white sharks avoiding them. Any crocodile would easily be killed by an adult orca. The killer whale is too powerful to be killed by a simple death roll, and it is capable of biting a crocodile in half, like a hippo might. Even though the orca is a mammal, it can readily prey on the greatest great white sharks. Because of this, it has superior reasoning skills and would kill the saltwater crocodile if it encountered one. Number 3. Tigers. Next, we have tigers. The crocodile, despite its size, is no match for the tiger. There have been multiple reports of tigers attacking and killing huge crocs, mainly after the reptiles exited the water and walked onto land. In fact, because tigers are one of the few big cats that can swim, they are open to attack even while they are in the water. Although Royal Bengal tigers and Sumatran tigers can defeat saltwater crocs in the water, they win on land. Tigers in India's the Western Ghats can kill saltwater crocs, but those crocs are far smaller than the gigantic 1-ton salties in the Sundarbans, where the Royal Bengal tigers hunt. Number 2. Hippopotamus. On number 2, we have hippopotamus. Hippos are deadly predators capable of killing and chewing the crocodile. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are exclusively terrified of adult hippos. Only the babies and young hippos are killed. Crocodiles live in isolated situations in hippo herds. Beyond the full-grown elephant numbers, getting to the hilt of the hippos is a death sentence. The battle between a hippo and a crocodile is amazing. Hippos are highly territorial and powerful. A small crocodile can be readily crushed in its jaws. For this reason, the crocodile avoids colliding with the hippos. Hippos are usually teammates, so if a crocodile gets between them, the odds of survival are small. Number 1. Lions. On top of the list, we have lions. Lions are the king of the jungle. The lion is a strong enemy of the crocodile in the wild. Crocodile killing is rarely successful because of the dangers of predators' injuries. Where it's easier to catch prey and travel faster, the crocodile always wins over the lion. On the other hand, the lion wins when confronted with a crocodile on dry land. One thing to note here, lions are usually able to kill crocodiles only when they attack in a pride. Otherwise, it is a tough fight. Whatever the case may be, the lion has long been and will continue to be a formidable foe for the crocodiles. That's all for today's video. Let us know about the animal who you think can easily take down a crocodile in the comment section below. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you found this video informative, do like and subscribe. And don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. See you in the next video with some more amazing facts about the animals. And until then, stay tuned.